Start. Good morning, students of class 3. Today we'll be discussing English grammar. Topic is number. Topic is number. Okay. Now see. First, let me explain what to mean by number. Come to the front. Don't make noise. First, come to the term number. Number means it denotes how many. How many? Okay. Now, this number is mainly classified into or divided into two categories or two groups. Okay, we have learned that on the previous class. Just I am recapitulating the task. Okay, now see, Devdatta Pandey. Okay, Devdatta Pandey. How are you? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear me? Good. Speak in English. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Now stay tuned in the class, okay? Now, singular. And next one is plural. Now, yes, I can see you. Just keep quiet because I can hear your voice. And if you have any problem, any questions, you will ask me after the class. I'll give you the time, but don't disturb in between the class. Okay? And I will request the guardians also to cooperate with me. Guardians, please keep quiet. Okay. Now see, singular. Singular means single. That means one boy. Number. First term, chapter 8, page 33. You open your, yes, you do it yourself. Yes, who is this? Shubhakanki Das. You open your book yourself. Don't ask your mommy or daddy. Do it yourself, self-help. Okay, now see, singular means single. When it denotes only one boy, one girl, one mango, one chalk. Okay, singular. Very easy. Okay, now go to the next. That is plural. Plural means plus one. Have you got it? Shubhakanki Das, have you got? Have you got the chapter? Page 33. Okay. Now, see the plural. This is the plural. This one, more than one plus. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, 5. Is that clear? Okay. Now see, boy means only one, single boy. Now if I ask you to change into plural, what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Tanveer? Who is Tanveer? Tanveer. Now say the correct answer of this boy. Who can say? Very simple. Come up. Boy. Plural form of boy is what? My dear student, I am asking a simple question. Boys, yes, good. Very simple. So, boys, just we are adding s here to the main word. Just we are adding s to the main word. And it becomes what? It becomes plural. Got it? Now see. Flag. Flag. It becomes flags. Very simple, very simple. Just adding s to the main word or to the base word, it becomes plural. Pandey? Clear? Now, to the next page, page 34. Only examples are given here. Nothing special, okay? Different examples, various examples are given. Guardians, please keep quiet because I can hear your voice, okay? If you have any problem, any doubt, you'll ask me after the class. Okay, now hero. It becomes heroes. H-E-R-O-E-S. Just look here. Just we are adding here E-S to the main word. Just we are adding E-S to the main word. Very simple. Negro, Negroes. Okay, that is rule number 3. Now, I have skipped the one rule. Now, rule number 2 is we are adding CH by adding ES. For example, bench. Now see, the last two letter is CH. Rule number 2, I am explaining rule number 2. CH. Now, yes, very simple. Good. Benches. Adding yes. So only examples are given. The thing that you have to do, you have to practice, you have to learn. Learn by heart. All the examples. Okay. Now see. F-E. If any F, it becomes what? F-S. All these words are given in the book. Just I am selecting certain words, certain terms, certain words. Okay, because it's not possible for me to explain each and every word. Just I am coming to the rules, taking out one word and explaining through that rule, following that rule. Okay. Now see, leaf. Come to the F. Now, say, who can say plural form of this word? Suzita, leaves, word, leaves. So, see the difference. F, इसको हटा दो यहाँ से. Just remove F. Okay, and add VES. So it becomes plural. Okay. Okay. Devjit Pandey, don't show your funny face. Devdatta Pandey, don't show your funny face. Tanvir, who is Tanvir? Raise your hand. Tanvir? Oh. That's all. Now keep shut. Now city. The first letter. So the last letter is what? Last letter is Y. So if a noun or if a word, the noun ends in Y, the last CITI, yes. See the changes that have been made here. Changes. Okay. And be careful of the spelling. If the spelling is wrong, just you get 0. No excuse. Am I clear? Okay. Now see, certain page 36. Page 36. Page 36. Now irregular form. Day, days, we know. Boy, boys, very simple. But some irregular form. That is not regular. For example, it becomes what? The plural form of this word is? No. Yes. Teeth. Okay, shut up. Now see, foot, Pandey, I'm asking you, Pandey, foot, plural form of foot is what? Pandey, yes, great. I will ask each and everybody, okay? Srijita, what is Srijita? Srijita, I am asking you, see the plural form of this word, goose. Srijita, yes. Srijita, don't look at the book. Repeat, make a pardon. Goose. Srijita, yes. Yes, good. Yes. Okay. Good. That means you have got the chapter. It's very clear to you. After all, this chapter is very simple. Okay. Now see, there are certain noun. That are same in singular and plural. For example, deer. It becomes what? Srijita. The plural. Good. Anche. Deer. Good. That means there no changes have been made. Don't add, we never had S here. Because the rule says so. I am not saying, the rule is saying that the certain noun that the same in singular as well as in plural. Okay. Examples are given, page 36. Salmon, dozen, same form. Okay. Now see, scissor. Now see, is the term singular or plural? Who can say? Subham ki das. Subham ki das. Subham ki das. Subham ki. Okay, Subham ki. Plus say, is the term, is this word singular or plural? Tanveer. Tanveer. Is the term singular or plural? Now, if it is singular, I am asking you two questions. Is the term singular or plural? And if it is singular, what should be the plural? Or if it is plural, what should be the singular? Two questions I am asking you. Self-help. Guardians, don't help you. Don't help you. Scissor. I can hear some noise. Unwanted noise is coming here. Scissor, it becomes scissors. Because same form here. Unchanged. Now, why scissor is plural? Because you got two parts. We have seen scissor. It consists of two parts. Okay, spectacles, two parts. That's why it is singular, plural remains the same. Am I clear? You can see the picture also. You can see the picture, that is page number 37. Now, jeans. Jeans, you have seen the pants. Left leg, right leg. Okay? So, two parts. That's why it is, the term is always plural. Okay? Now, see about the plurals are compound nouns. Come to the bottom of the chapter. Bottom. एकदम नीचे जाइए. नीचे देखो. Yes. Brother-in-law. It becomes what? Pandey. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Just adding S. Sister-in-law. 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 Sister. Good. Good. Now see. Stepson. Stepson. Guardians, don't help me. Guardians, I am requesting you, guardians. I am requesting each and every guardians. Leave your child alone. Okay, leave him. Don't help. Okay. Now see, stepsons. What is the plural form of this word? What should be the plural? Good. Stepsons. Okay. So, go on with the examples. And let's go to the chapter, next chapter, that is page 38. Page 38. Now I would like to ask my dear students, can you understand my language? Can you understand my language? Because I am taking the class for you. I am taking the class only for you. So you are the man. If you have any problem, you ask me. Okay? Now see, page 38, BA. B, stop it. This is an abbreviation. So how to convert this abbreviation into plural? How to convert? कैसे किया जाता है? How to convert it plural? Who can say? Don't look at the book. Don't bother what you are saying. If you are wrong, don't get afraid. You may be wrong, but you please come out. BA. How to convert into plural? Yes, you. Say the answer now. Answer. I want the answer. मुझे answer चाहिए. BA. Yes. Oh, yes. So how to convert this abbreviation into plural? This abbreviation. I am not asking the full form. मेरा पूछने का बात यही नहीं है कि तुम full form आपको बता दो. ऐसा नहीं. Yes, you are correct. But what should be the plural form of this word? Of this abbreviation? BA, it becomes just add an apostrophe. Yes. Clear? In this way, you have to change into plural. Amen. Yes. So, by adding apostrophe S, just have to close your eyes, add apostrophe and this. The entire word becomes the plural. The entire term, the entire abbreviation. Is that clear? Yes, I know that most of the parts. Now see, the common errors, that is go to the next page 39. Page 39. The common errors. What are the common errors that we often make? That we often miss human beings. For example, the sceneries of Kashmir is charming. Look at the book, the bottom, niche, bottom. Okay, now see, the sceneries of Kashmir is charming. So this is incorrect. And the correct form is given. Guardians, I am requesting guardians, please keep quiet. I can hear your voice. Now see, the scenery of Kashmir is charming. Scenery of Kashmir. This class is creating a lot of noise. We are creating a lot of noise. Please keep quiet. I'll give you time. Now see, the scenery of Kashmir is charming. This is the correct one. What the sceneries? You often say sceneries, beautiful sceneries. No, scenery is beautiful. Because these are the errors, these are the mistakes that we often make, human beings often make. Now go to this sentences. I learn by heart. Okay. Now that's all for today. It's time for me to wrap up my class. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask me. I'll give you 5 minutes time. If you have any question regarding this text, number, any doubt, I am here to clarify it. I'll wait for 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes. 5. Who is this? Shire Karforma. Speak in English. But in class, try to speak in English. Dear. Don't bother what you are saying. Which one I should repeat? Which one? You are asking me to repeat. Which one I should repeat? So the question, because you are late for the class, that means you are not in the class. That's why you could not understand it. And you will get the video part later. You will get the video. Don't get nervous. If I miss the class, well, I cannot help you, but you will get the video. Okay. Now, if you have any problem, you can ask me regarding this text. Shubhagitas, do you have any problem? Yes, you? Any problem? Tanvir? Okay, next. And the Pandey. Any problem? Okay. Okay, I've heard your voice. Now go through the examples, okay? Go through the examples. And exercises I will teach you later. Okay. Now that's all. Go to the text. Go to the text. And in my class, don't create any noise because lots of sound, background noise is coming to me. The room where you are studying, where you are, should be calm and quiet, free from any noise, because it will help me to take the class smoothly and to help you also. Okay, now go to the examples, okay, exercises. And one thing, I may take a test, okay, regarding this grammar. Not now, the question paper will send to you. I may take, so get prepared. You will carry certain marks. Okay, now that's all. See you in my next class. Bye.